Do you know you can turn turmeric into a multi-million-dollar business? How to set up manufacturing business of curcumin extraction unit. Curcumin, a bioactive compound derived from the carmine plant Curcuma longa, has been in great demand because of its anti-inflammation, antioxidant, and possible anti-cancer properties. Curcumin is widely used in pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and as a food additive. The increased market demand for natural and organic health-related products has created a commercial opportunity for the production of curcumin extraction products. This video outlines reasons and approaches that support the establishment of a curcumin extraction unit, the market demand, equipment, and startup opportunities. Market demand and opportunities. The global market for curcumin has been estimated at just over $82.69 billion in 2023 and is expected to grow between 2024 and 2030 with a CAGR, compound annual growth rate, of 13.8% per year. The pharmaceutical segment, comprising 52.3% of the total market, has the highest share of all segments due to the multiple therapeutic properties of curcumin for claims of treatment of health conditions. The cosmetic segment of the market is also expected to experience significant growth of consumption, citing the use of curcumin as an antioxidant with possible anti-aging properties. The consumer preference in the increased market demand of natural and organic products creates opportunities for individuals to enter the industry of curcumin extraction. Requirements for machinery equipment for curcumin extraction. List of machinery. Grinding machine to pulverize the turmeric rhizome into powdered extract. Extraction unit that uses either solvent extraction or supercritical fluid extraction. Centrifuge in order to separate the curcumin extract from other impurities. Evaporator for further concentrating the fluid extract into an extract. Chromatography equipment that is used for a separation or purification of fluid extract. Drying unit such as a vacuum tray dryer that can dry curcumin with the ability to have further reduced residual moisture content. Packaging machine that packages the curcumin concentrates and products. Manufacturing sequence. Preparation of raw material. The first step involves the meticulous cleaning, drying, and grinding of turmeric rhizomes until they become fine powder. Extraction. Following the preparation, curcumin is extracted from the powdered turmeric using a number of different approaches, including the solvent extraction or ultrasound-assisted extraction or supercritical fluid extraction. Purification. Curcumin extract is then purified by using several techniques, for example column chromatography or high-performance liquid chromatography. Drying and packaged. Finally, the purified curcumin is dried and packaged ready for sale or distribution. Consideration of the plant location. For the selection of a curcumin extracted plant, the consideration of the proximity to the source for raw materials is important, as well as the availability of a skilled workforce, and a route for transportation of raw materials from the food production and manufacturing industries. Proximity of the plant location should also consider environmental regulations, and infrastructure to deal and manage waste will be critical to possible decision-making capabilities. Opportunities for new startups. The extraction of curcumin from turmeric offers several opportunities for new startups because of the increasing popularity for a natural health product besides the low-energy operation to extract curcumin from turmeric rhizomes as indicated above and subsequently packaging. Entrepreneurs can undertake to explore the various extraction methods to improve the efficiencies or work on the creation of curcumin products, or even look towards specialized extraction methods with respect towards niche market development within pharmaceuticals and cosmetics. In addition, partnerships with universities or research institutes among biotechnology and pharmaceutical partners would foster innovation and research and development (R&D). Growth drivers. Looking at the search results, here are some important growth drivers for the establishment of a business that extracts curcumin as the end product. Increasing global demand. The global market size for curcumin was valued at $85.77 million in 2023 and is expected to grow to $205.48 million by 2032 with a CAGR 10.38%. This demonstrates that demand for curcumin products is strong and on the rise. Growing applications. Due to curcumin's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and potential anti-cancer properties, the use of curcumin is growing in the pharmaceutical, food and beverage, cosmetics and other industries, impacting the market, thereby creating more customers. Health trends. The increasing consumer awareness about the health effects of curcumin, as well as the ongoing shift towards naturally sourced ingredients, is helping increase demand for curcumin supplements and functional foods. Product innovation. Manufacturers are continually investing money towards R&D in order to increase curcumin bioavailability as well as product formulations, opening doors to product applications. This trend also promotes the growing need for innovative new products. Favorable regulatory environment. The FDA has classified curcumin as generally recognized as safe GRAS, allowing it to be used in foods when compared to other substances. Export potential. Since India is a major producer of turmeric, it almost guarantees that there will be a healthy export market to North America and Europe. Value addition. Extracting curcumin from turmeric provides excellent value addition to the leaf in comparison to raw turmeric due to the price difference between curcumin powder and turmeric. Support by governments. Some governments are supportive of promoting value addition in the spice business and have policies that will support curcumin extraction units. More research is being conducted. More research into the health benefits of curcumin continues and will only increase its applications, and heal properties are extended to find pharmaceutical applications. Emphasizing natural products. Presently, there is a gradual shift where consumers within the food, cosmetics, and pharmaceutical industries are choosing natural over synthetic products, which is a positive development for curcumin. When developing a curcumin extraction unit to fully benefit of this trend, it is important to consider the following. Secure a stable supply of high-quality turmeric raw material. Invest in an efficient extraction technology that maximizes the yield as it relates to extraction costs. Focus on high quality and purity of the end products to meet the needs of the buyers. Explore partnerships for continued R&D and product development that includes both the domestic and export markets. Obtain the necessary regulatory approvals and certifications. How we can assist you? NEER Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, can offer several support services to assist your plans to make a curcumin extractor facility. Comprehensive market survey and feasibility report. We provide thorough reports that include investigating the market with information on manufacturing process, flow sheets of operation, product mix, machinery requirements, and raw material needs, and full financials of businesses being developed. Project consultancy. We act as industrial project consultants offering support in business planning, project management, and regulatory compliance. Custom-made solutions. We tailor our work to your exact needs and will build a successful business in the curcumin extraction market. Entrepreneurs and businesses can rely on our industry knowledge of the complexities of the curcumin market and the increasing demand for natural health products. Contact us for more details.